Hi there guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Just Crypto. Before we start the video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified about the upcoming videos. The website we are reviewing today is DogiBag. Welcome to DogiBag, the first token with dividend yield paid in Dogecoin. DogiBag is aptly named. It is simply concept combining two trendy mechanism, buyback and dividend. You can buy now through PancakeSwap, through their own DogiBag swap, and you can check out the price chart. We will check it out later. Then we have about DogiBag. What is DogiBag? Introduction. By simply holding, you will earn cryptocurrency's favorite meme coin, Dogi. The longer you hold, the more you earn. It is really that simple. The devs and mods are ready to answer any question you may have. So come over, get involved, and don't miss the next multi-million-dollar coin. You owe it to your doggy. It's least you can do. On the scale, first token with dividend yield paid in Dogecoin. Dogi dividend reward. DogiBag proposes an innovative features in its contract. Dividend payment in Dogecoin. Check for yourself some screenshot of people who got rewarded with Dogi. You can check out some screenshot of people rewarded with Dogecoins. Then we have the tokenomics, pre-sale allocation 51%, PancakeSwap allocation 35%, marketing and team wallet 3%, DEX sale fees 11%, and fees is 15% tax, 10% is used to purchase Dogi, which is automatically paid out in dividend to the holders automatically, 5% is split between buyback mechanism and team marketing fund. Marketing fund can be used in extreme circumstances to correct market volatility. Total supply is given. You can check the chart also. 10% dividend paid in Dogi, automatic dividend distribution, 5% back, 5% buyback funds and marketing and anti-dumps. These are basically the features of DogiBag. You can check it out. And then we have achievements and roadmap. Achievement: CoinGecko listing on day 1, CoinMarketCap listing on day 2, partnership with Peachfolio on day 2, PancakeSwap logo uploaded and Trust Wallet logo is uploaded. Short-term roadmap: we have dividend dashboard allowing dividend statistic, claim countdown, manual claims, DogiBag swap platform, audit, white paper release, launch on SWFT blockchain, and Twitch stream with DreamSpot. And long-term roadmap: NFT platform, exchanges listing, DogiBag waterfall ecosystem build. Then you can connect with us. Our community has always been our #1 priority. Feel free to follow us on Twitter and other social platforms to stay up to date. You can join their Telegram community as well as you can check out their Twitter and CoinGecko. It is powered by CoinGecko. You can check the market cap rank, market cap, 24-hour volume, and 24-hour high and low prices also. The Twitter, the first community-driven token that reward you with Dogecoin for holding. And then they have their Telegram link. You can get every information from their written account. So go back to the PancakeSwap, how to swap. You can select currency Dogi and can import your BNB by just connecting your wallet. And you can check out the price chart for more latest informations. And we have the DogiBag swap also. You can unlock your wallet, maybe Trust Wallet or any of the other wallets, and you can check your reward earnings and DogiBag statistics by connecting to your wallet. That's it for DogiBag. Hope it's beneficial for you and you like the video. So please do subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.